Hi and welcome to House of Hybrid channel. My name is Renato and today's video is how to reset the maintenance light on a 2018 BMW 530e, the iPerformance. So the 530e is the hybrid one. Okay, so how to reset, we are going to use a scanner. That's the easiest way to do. And the scanner we're using is a Launch X31 Pro 3 Plus, and the way we do it, we'll connect the OBD2 reader here on the left side on top. Okay, first thing that we need to do is to leave the ignition on, engine off, and to do that we will use the start button and we're gonna press 3 times quick. 1, 2, 3. Now it light up. So now we have our ignition on. So from now on, we're gonna use our scanner. We're gonna scroll to the side, and on the special function, look for oil reset. We click, yes, okay. Then we look for BMW. Switch on, we are on. Then maintenance reset. Now CBS reset. Now in this case it's already 100% engine oil, but what you just need to, the only thing that you need to do is click on it and it start. It's asking us because it's greater than 80% if you want to reset or not. Then you just press on, you press yes, and then it will reset. It's performing right now. We have 14 reset. Now we have 100% and 15 times now. Okay, so that's how we do it. I hope that was helpful, and I see you guys next video. Thank you.